For this exercise, we'll be working with the British pubs collection from the last exercise. With the collection open, select Table View. Double-click any value in the Address field. The Results tab now displays the embedded fields associated with the Address field. Now, let's create a simple query that limits the pubs to those located in Scotland. We can do this with the Visual Query Builder. Click on Visual Query Builder to open it. In the Results tab, locate one of the Scotland values in the Region column and drag it to the first text box in the Query Builder. Click Run to execute this query. The Result tab should now show only Scottish pubs. Now, let's export these query results. Click Export on the global toolbar. We want to export current query result in the JSON format. Click Finish. This will create an export unit as a new sub-tab. Let's configure a couple of things. Under Format options, make sure JSON Mongo Shell /Studio 3T is selected. Under Select Target, make sure File is selected. Click the folder icon to the right of the File text box. Type Scottish Pubs JSON as the file name and navigate to your target folder. Click Save. Depending on how you're going to use the exported file, you can choose to include commas between documents or export the documents as an array under Other options. You preview the export in the Output Preview section. When you've confirmed everything is correct, click on Execute to export. We can verify that the export file was created by right-clicking on the export in the Operations window and choosing Open in File Explorer for Windows and Linux or Reveal in Finder for macOS. We can confirm the file contains our exported documents. Close the Export tab and discard changes, but leave the British Pubs collection open for the next exercise.